Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wake County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pittsboro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Garner, Fuquay Arena, RDU International, Apex, Holly Springs, Morrisville, Lake Wheeler, and New Hill. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. The storm has a history of producing wind damage in Randolph and Chatham County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Wake, North Carolina,